How to use digital marketing to promote your business. Digital marketing is the segment of advertising that uses digital and computer-based technologies including desktop computers, cellular phones and various other electronic media and platforms to advertise services and products. These days, there is an increased usage of electronic media in business due to its effective and quick results. There are various digital marketing techniques that are used by companies to advertise their products. The best way to advertise is to create a catalog, design a brochure and get your products advertised in various places on the web. This segment of advertising helps companies reach their customer directly without spending a lot of money. There are various digital channels for digital marketing. The most common digital channels are television, radio and newspaper. All the three of them provide you an opportunity to present your product to the audience. You can easily create your own campaigns and publish them on television, radio and newspaper. Digital marketing experts can easily manage these campaigns. Digital marketing allows you to develop a strategy and design digital marketing campaigns to reach your target audience. They will help you enhance your business and make it popular among your customers. You can easily create search engine advertisements and place them on different platforms like social media, online directories and search engines. You can also use pay-per-click campaigns to pay only those users who visit your website or blog. The digital marketing experts use different advertising tools and gadgets to reach your customers. You can present captivating ads and use colorful and striking ads to attract more viewers. The digital strategy helps to create awareness about your brand and products by creating social network ads and publishing ads on different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The creatives behind this campaign to understand the requirements of the viewers and captivating design ads that grab the attention of people. There are various digital marketing channels like mobile marketing, SMS marketing, Facebook ads and Google AdWords that can be used to promote your business effectively. When you are launching your ad campaign, ensure that you focus on keywords so that your users can easily locate your ads. The digital marketing experts create ads in a unique manner that is interactive. It should be engaging as well as intriguing, so that users can take active part in the promotion. You can also use other methods to reach out to your audience. The experts can easily integrate your content in your ads and create original videos to share with your audience. Digital marketing experts make use of innovative digital marketing strategies to promote your business. These channels help you reach new potential consumers who may not be aware of your product or service. By making use of social media platforms and traditional marketing channels, you can get new leads as well as converting your present consumers to loyal customers. The traditional marketing channels are widely used by most of the marketers today. They believe that social media is one of the best channels to reach out to your audience.